Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best budget wireless earbuds you can buy right now, the Tozo A1 wireless earbuds. These sleek, feather-light earbuds deliver surprising performance at an unbeatable price. So let's break it all down: comfort, sound, features, and why these might be your next everyday earbuds. At first glance, the Tozo A1 might look like just another pair of wireless earbuds. But once you put them on, you'll realize how thoughtfully designed they are, especially for small ears. Each bud weighs only 3.7 grams. That's less than a sheet of paper. The ergonomic in-ear shape hugs your ear canal without sticking out, making them perfect for workouts, runs, or even just lying down. The sound quality? Let's just say, these little things pack a punch. Inside each earbud is a 6mm driver that produces deep bass and crisp highs. It's a warm, immersive sound that doesn't feel artificial, perfect for bass lovers, but still balanced enough for podcasts or classical music. Whether you're moving around your house or stepping outside, you can keep a clear connection up to 12 meters. That's about 40 feet. Phone calls are crisp too, with two built-in mics that handle AI call optimization, reducing background noise on the other end. Battery life is another highlight. The earbuds give you 7 hours of continuous playtime, and with the compact charging case, you get up to 32 hours total. That's enough juice to get you through a full week of commuting or multiple workouts before needing to plug in. And yes, it charges via USB-C, not micro USB. On top of all that, the A1 earbuds are IPX5 water resistant. That means they can handle sweat, splashes, and light rain. It's the ideal partner for your gym sessions or runs without worrying about moisture damage. Let's talk value. The Tozo A1 is priced way below big-name competitors, yet delivers performance that punches far above its weight. You're getting a lightweight design, app-controlled audio tuning, stable Bluetooth 5.3, long battery life, and durability. For students, commuters, gym-goers, or anyone who just wants solid sound without breaking the bank, this is the best budget wireless earbud option out there right now. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the best tech deals out there. This is Product Critique, helping you buy smarter, not pricier. Catch you next time.